everyone. So we are going to talk about height. We were talking about length and shorter and longer. Now we're focusing on height. Let's watch our video.
This is the kitchen in Bob's house. What do you see in Bob's kitchen?
What are some things you see? I see a table and 2 chairs and a refrigerator and a counter.
There are 2 chairs, a table, a cabinet, and a refrigerator. Bob sees that some of the objects are short and some are tall. Bob compares the refrigerator and a chair. Which is taller?
So if you look at this refrigerator and this chair, which one's taller? The refrigerator. Very good.
The refrigerator is taller than the chair. How do you know?
How do you know it's taller? Because it keeps going up past the chair. Very good. They're already even on the bottom.
The top of the refrigerator is higher than the top of the chair. Next, Bob compares the cabinet and a chair. Do you think one object is taller than the other?
So this cabinet's right behind him. And here's a chair. They are the same height. So no, neither one is taller.
Bob thinks the cabinet is as tall as the chair. The cabinet is not higher than the chair. The chair is not higher than the cabinet. They are the same height. There are other things in the kitchen you can compare. Which object is the shortest?
So if you look at all these objects, the cabinet, the chairs, the refrigerator, which one's the shortest or closest to the ground? It's the table. Very nicely done.
The table is the shortest. Is Bob taller than the table? Is Bob taller than the cabinet? What do you think?
Is Bob taller than the table? Yes, he is. Is Bob taller than the cabinet? Yes, he is. The cabinet's here and Bob is all the way up there.
You can see if you are as tall as your friend. You can compare to find out if your teacher is taller than you. Try it on your own.
All right, folks. So what you can do at home is you can find somebody at your house and see if you're taller or shorter than them by comparing your heights. Let's go to our math mat and see what we're going to do there. All right, for this activity, what you're going to do is you're going to name 2 objects and ask your student which one is taller. So, for example, you could say, which is taller, the oven or the refrigerator at your house? Or is the table or the chair taller? Or is your bed or your dresser taller? So think about things, whether or not they're taller or shorter. You can use actual objects around your house, or you can look at the pictures on here and discuss which one's taller or higher. All right, let's go to the middle. Right here, what you're going to do is you're going to circle the taller object for number 1. So it actually already does it. Which one's taller? This one's taller when you compare them. So you can circle that. For number 2 and number 3, you're going to mark an X on the shorter object or underline if the objects are the same height. So these 2 objects are the same. So you're going to underline them. For number 3, the object that's shorter, you put an X on it, just like that. Okay? So for number 4, you're going to circle for this page, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to circle the object that's taller, X the objects that's shorter. Now, if they're the same, you're going to underline them, okay? Have a good day comparing heights. Find things that are taller or shorter or the same height.